15 मिनट बोला मैंने. So guys, firstly, थैंक यू एवरीवन कि आप लोगों ने एक सैटरडे को आए और आपने इतना स्मूथली एक ही दिन में दोनों सेमीफाइनल्स एंड फाइनल्स खत्म किया. सो प्लीज अ राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर एवरीबॉडी प्रेजेंट हियर. एंड आई वुड लाइक टू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट ऑफ कोर्स रोजवाल सनराइजर्स फॉर विनिंग द जीपीटी सीजन 3. Very well played Scorchers, very well played throughout the tournament, but hard luck in the finals. Very well played, very good match, very close match, but वो यहाँ का वहाँ हो गया. और anyway, let's start. First, I would like to call everybody for call all the trophy winners from both the semi-finals. और first match Roosevelt versus Vanguard के trophies देने के लिए please Deep, I would like to invite you to please hand out the trophies to the players. Best batsman for the semi-final, first between Roosevelt, Sunrisers and Vanguard. So the best batsman goes to Janit Chadwa. 25 runs together in both the innings.
La parada de tetas.
Best bowler goes to Jainil Gadda. मैन ऑफ द मैच ब्रिलियंट, जिन्होंने आज स्लिप पे दो बहुत ब्यूटीफुल अमेजिंग कैचेस लिए और हर ओवर में एक या दो विकेट लेकर ही गए, भरत भाई गड़ा. मैन ऑफ द मैच सेमीफाइनल्स 1. एंड मैन ऑफ द मैचेस के लिए एज वी ऑल नो, एज वी ऑल अनाउंस्ड, भरत भाई एक मिनट. मैन ऑफ द मैचेस के लिए वी हैड अ गिफ्टिंग पार्टनर हाउस ऑफ एम्पोरिया. सो इट्स अ न्यू ब्रांड बाय जेनिल फ्रॉम जॉली एम्पोरियम. तो उन्होंने खुद के परफ्यूम्स लॉन्च किए. तो So semi-final 1 के gambler of the match goes to Divit for a good score of 23 of 17 balls. So I would like to call Bharat bhai please के second semi-finals के trophies के लिए. Second semi-final was played between Maharashtra Vipers and Scorchers. Scorchers came victorious. So best batsman for that match was Darshak Nandu. 32 runs of 17 balls. Best bowler I think है हर्ष डागा. for that match, semi-finals. 4 wickets. 4 wickets. Man of the match for the semi-final played between Maharashtra Vipers and Scorchers goes to our beloved Badla. Janam, perfume please. Captain of the match for the same match goes to Raj Furia for a brilliant spell with a maiden over, 4 wickets, 3 overs, 11 runs. So before we go forward for the best batsman of the tournament and best bowler of the tournament, so I would just like to thank all the team owners which are present here for having a constant support on us and a constant trust on us, as well as I would like to thank all the sponsors that are here, Jolly Emporium, Satish Bhai and Janil for title sponsors, for jersey sponsor. There is Harsh from Modular Kitchen, Crystal Modular Services Systems, sorry, and I think Henel is not here from Dice Dynasty. He was a co-sponsor, and all the owners present here: Bharat Bhai, Chintan Bhai, Deep, Kush, Jeet. Thank you so much. And let's go for the best batsman of the tournament. Alright, so change in plans. We go for the finals man of the match first. So man of the match, so best batsman for the finals goes to Hriday Chheda. Please, Harsh. Chintan bhai, aap bhi aa. आजा जीत. ए जीत. हाँ तेरे को वापस बुलाऊंगा. Best bowler, of course, 8 wickets in a single match. 8 wickets. Meet Gadda. And man of the match for the final match, for I think 5 dismissals, 1 wicket, no 3 wickets, 5 dismissals, Divit, man of the match for the finals. Gambler of the match was a close call, but the committee decided for 5 wickets in 2 innings, Jubin Bhai. So, for the best batsman of the tournament, so I would like to call Satish Bhai and Janil, please. So at position 3, we have Rajesh Gadda from Vanguard Warriors with 136 runs in 13 innings with a strike rate of 76.84. At position 2nd, we have Janit Chadwa, very close for the first position. He has 150 runs with a strike rate of 83.72 in 16 innings. And at position 1, in just 13 innings, 155 runs with a strike rate of 93.37, Kush, the best batsman of the tournament. Alright, moving forward to the best fielder. So at number 3, we have Yash Savla. He's not here, but he played 7 matches, 22 dismissals, out of which 19 were catches and 2 were runouts. On second position, again it is tied, but in 6 matches, Evin Gada, 22 dismissals, 19 catches and 3 runouts. And at number 1, exactly with the difference of 1 dismissal, Divit with 23 dismissals, 20 catches and 1 runout. The best fielder of the tournament, Divit. I would like to call Harsh, please, for the next trophies. So, Janil. Okay, so for the best bowler, again a very close fight. At number 3, we have Bharat Bhai. 14 innings, 23 wickets, with an average of 3.83 and economy of 4.40, which is brilliant. At second, he was leading, but with 26 wickets in 14 innings, with an economy of 5.73, average of 5.62, Harsh Daga is tied with Meet at position 1 with 26 wickets, but with an economy of less than 3, 2.94 economy and average of 3.5. Meet Gada, best bowler of the tournament. moving forward to the most valuable player of the tournament. Again, a very close fight. A very close fight. At number 3, Ajay Gala with MVP point 62.322. At number 2, we have Rajesh Gadda from Vanguard Warriors. Again 62.423. That close. And at number 1, in the finals, he scored 15 MVP points. And he was at position 10, beyond 10, and is now at number 1 with 67.917 MVP points with Gada. So we come to our final batch of trophies for these two beautiful mazes. So I would firstly like to call upon the runner-up team captain and owner Deep to please come forward and speak a few words.
Hello. Firstly, congratulations to Roosevelt team. They outplayed us for the finals and not let us score a few sixes. So yeah. And also congratulations to the gamblers for the wonderful tournament. And a big round of applause for my boys. They have played throughout wonderfully, bowling, batting, maybe one or two collabs doesn't make you bad players. Come on guys, you have played well. If the opposition cheers louder after the win, I feel you have played well.
So I would like to call Chintan Bhai please to present them with the runner-ups maze. We are at the last trophy, the final maze, the winner's maze. For that, first, I would like to call upon Ajay Bhai, the captain of Rosewall Sunrisers, for a few words.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट गैम्बलर्स कमेटी यार, सेकंड सीजन है मेरा, बस इनका प्यार खींच के लाता है यहाँ पे खेलने के लिए। अमेजिंग अमेजिंग कंसेप्ट जो लाया है टेस्ट का, गैम्बलर हैट्स ऑफ टू देम, जो लाया है वो कुछ अलग करके लाया। हम लोग 6 ओवर सालों से खेल रहे हैं, 15 ओवर का 4 इनिंग्स खेलना किसी ने सोचा भी नहीं रहेगा। अगेन हैट्स ऑफ इस चीज़ के लिए, बहुत अच्छा करते हैं लोग। हैट्स ऑफ कमेटी के ईच एंड एवरी मेंबर, ऐसा कमेटी देखा नहीं है कि पूरा दिल जान लगा के करते हैं। थैंक्स 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 अगेन फॉर दैट। 7 का 7 टीम था, सब वो लोग सुपर्ब खेल रहे थे। बेस्ट 2 टीम्स आर हियर। आई वुड लाइक टू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्कॉचर्स, अमेजिंग अमेजिंग स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट, अमेजिंग भाई। रोजवर्ल्ड को नहीं बोलूँगा, थैंक्स, बहुत टाइम दिया, बहुत झेला है मेरे को, जो भी किया है बहुत अच्छा किया है। हैट्स ऑफ टू, थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, Ajay Bhai. Now, I would like to call upon Bharat Bhai, who is the owner of Rosewall Sunrisers, for a few words.
Firstly, congratulations to Jolly Emporium because they are the title sponsor. That is important to give that platform. And apart from, जैसे अजय ने बताया, all the 7 team, all the owners, just persuading, give the youngster the more chance. And that is what we required at Vadar. So I really congratulate each and every player who participated. That's all. Thank you.
So, alright. So, again from House of Emporia, there are gifts for every individual players. So, I would like to call upon, I will individually start calling out names. Please come together and then we will hand the maze. So, again starting with the captain. Oh, okay, Satish Bhai is going to give the gifts. Okay, captain last. All right, captain and owner last. So, firstly, Deepan Daga.
La parada Dendetas.
Followed by the Yorker King Divesh Satra. Followed by the best fielder Divit. Followed by Hitansh. And then Hriday. Hriday Sheda. Followed by Chainam Gadda. Followed by Jainil Gadda.
Thank you.
Followed by CA Jamin Bawa.
Thank you.
Followed by the man in touch while batting, Janit Chadwa.
Wait for photo. Okay, yeah. Wait for. Thank you.
Followed by our one and only Jubin Gadda.
Thank you.
And Monik is not here, I believe. Keval Gadda. last but not the least, Romil. On behalf of Morning, please, Janam. Chintan bhai, the maze, the final maze.
Thank you.
Okay, the owner, Bharat bhai, please, Bharat bhai. And the captain, Ajay bhai, please. And I would like to call Chintan bhai to hand over the final maze, the winners maze to Ajay bhai. Ajay bhai, please. एक मिनट, सॉरी, पार गरीटा रह गया. सॉरी.
Wait for photo. Thank you.
And now finally the maze.
والله خوش عكسه يا اخي تفوز عندي خوش فاصله يا اخي تفوز والله خوش عكسه عندي لك عكسه قويه يا الحبيب اسمها صبوحه خطبها نصيب مديالك جنب تعطيها كف وهز شكلك خليك شليل عطي عكسه فريسه زيد عليها شوي عندي ميزه كل الاختيار اللي نعرفه صيده سويلي وقفه دار هيبه هي نسوي رقصه بياع يبني واحد كرك يلا وياه طق سيارة بوليس يلا سوي لي رقصة ثانية رقصة المطرب ولا سبة ديماني تفوز عندي خوش فصلة يا اخي تفوز والله خوش عكسة يا اخي تفوز عندي خوش فصلة.
Bharat bhai, please accept the winning prize money from Chintan bhai. Alright, Sunrisers, please join for a photo. And lastly, नाच के आओ, हाँ नाच के आओ, चलो वापस जाओ. ये सॉन्ग वापस बजाना मैं जब बोलूँ तब. बट तब के लिए I would just like to say a goodbye on behalf of the committee. अगर हमसे कोई भी मिस्टेक्स जाने या अनजाने में हो गई तो we are very sorry. So Micham Dukadam, yes. So it's me, Heath, Amish, Jay, Meet and Divi signing off. Please play the music. Please dance and take forward.
عندي خوش فاصلة يا اخي تفوز والله خوش عكسة يا اخي تفوز عندي خوش فاصلة يا اخي تفوز والله خوش عكسة عندي لك رقصة قوية يا الحبيب اسمها صبوحة خطبها نصيب مديالك جنب تعطيها كف وهز شكلك خليك شليل عطي رقصة فريسة زيد عليها شوي عندي ميزة كل الاختيار اللي نعرفه صيده سويلي وقفة دار هيبة هي تسوي رقصة بياع يبني واحد كرك يلا وياه طق سيارة بوليس يلا سوي رقصة ثانية رقصة المطرب ولا سبة ديماني تفوز عندي خوش فصلة يا اخي تفوز والله خوش عكسة يا اخي تفوز عندي خوش فصلة يا اخي تفوز والله خوش عكسة حلو زين مكانه حلو والديكوريشن ماله حلو سوي رقصة المارشميلو ربعنا هبو كله كامل كله رفيجك طايح كتفك واني هزها هزة من سما والليل مايش في عبوني يا ولدنا احنا جايين هالليلة يبجين اقول عطني رقصة تقلي صنان اقول عطني رقصة كلمتين اقول سوي رقصة هاللو باي زيد شكر باي وانا شكل جاي يا اخي تفوز عندي خوش فصلة يا اخي تفوز والله خوش عكسة يا اخي تفوز عندي خوش فصلة يا اخي تفوز والله خوش عكسة يا اخي تفوز عندي خوش فصلة يا اخي تفوز والله خوش